Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back. I'm Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. In continuation with the topic debt financing and the key elements on the term sheet, today I'm going to discuss about on the important element on the term sheet, which is interest rate and amortization schedule. What exactly do you understand with this? Now, interest rates are of two types. We must be knowing, all of us know, fixed and floating. Fixed rate is a fixed rate. That particular fixed rate is carried throughout your loan term. Floating rate is a interest rate which is changing month on month as and when you're putting in the EMI, your interest rate is floating. It is applicable on the principal amount after the reduction of the EMI. EMI principal amount. EMI has two components, one is the principal amount and one is the interest amount. So the EMI's principal amount part is reduced and then the interest is applicable on the principal, reduced principal amount. So that is the difference between the fixed and the floating rates. Now when it comes to ruling authorities of fixing up the rates, in India it is the RBI and in London it is the LIBOR. So that's how the rates are fixed by the ruling authorities accordingly. Obviously, banks are keeping their margins and lending you the funds, but the base is fixed by the ruling authorities, and then the banks take the decisions. At times, in floating rates, a cap is agreed between the lender and the borrower. This cap is nothing but a minimum rate which has to be charged. So sometimes there's a cap also which is fixed. It is agreed between both the lenders and borrowers. I hope I have touched the micro point, and it will definitely make you understand the basic touch points of the interest rate and the types of interest rate and the ruling authorities from the banking side. Now we will talk about the amortization schedule. What do you understand by amortization schedule? It is nothing but the number of years used to calculate your debt service. You take a tenure of a particular debt, and that is the period is amortized. Amortization is calculation of principal, interest and the total broken up month on month. So that is your schedule. Usually it is again from 3 years to 5 years to 7 years to 10 years to 15 years, how much both the parties have come to terms, on what terms they have come to, on what is the debt period or what is the debt service period they have agreed to. So this takes care of your interest rate and the amortization schedule. Summing up with this, if you like my video, say like, press the bell icon, which will enable you to subscribe my channel. Again, that will enable you to get into my YouTube channel and you get lots and lots of information and knowledge. I have spoken on various subjects, touched the micro topics. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Till then, catch you soon with few more good topics. Take care of yourself. God bless.